Welcome to the Startup Funding Espresso. I'm Hall T. Martin, where we talk about how to raise funding and invest in startups and the time it takes to drink an espresso. If you have a question about startup funding or investing, please go to the website, startupfundingespresso.com, and type in your question into the chat bot in the lower right corner to receive an answer. I hope you enjoy this episode. Hello, this is Hall T. Martin with the Startup Funding Espresso, your daily shot of startup funding and investing. Early-stage companies pitching investors often have little revenue traction. In place of traction, show how the business model performs on the unit economic level. Calculate the cost of acquiring a customer and the expected lifetime value of that customer, and show the ratio between the two and make note of it. Show how your business model is profitable at the unit economic level. This will resonate with investors who seek working business models. Discuss the variability of the cost and how the cost will scale with the business. Make note of the gross margins and the profit margins at the early stage. Some investors judge the business based on the margins and the variability of costs. This allows the startup to ride the economic waves of good times as well as bad times. Show how the business is close to break even already. Note how few customers it will take to reach break even, and show how the business is profitable at the very early stages. Show the business model in unit economic terms when pitching an investor. Thank you for joining us for the Startup Funding Espresso, where we help startups and investors connect for funding. Let's go start listening to today. Hall T. Martin is the director of Investor Connect, which is a 501c3 nonprofit dedicated to the education of investors for early-stage funding. All opinions expressed by Hall and podcast guests are solely their own opinions and do not reflect the opinion of Investor Connect. This podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be relied upon as a basis for investment decisions.